Hi, are you burping your baby wrong? Probably you are. Let me tell you fine pointers on how to burp your baby. Okay, so here is our baby doll. Okay, so let's see how to do it. So what you do is you don't pat the baby for burping. Bigger pads or harder pads don't equal to bigger burps. You need to be very gentle and put your hand upwards from the lower back so that you can push the air bubble out. Second is lay your baby on your lap, hold the baby by the jaw, and slowly by circular movements you can try to release the baby's burp. Thank you. Follow for more.